Pancake day, and I do understand that I should be having pancakes. However, I am currently obsessed with my new discovery. So I'll treat this like a pancake, okay? And I'm gonna roll this up. Ooh, is this gonna work? Ooh, is it gonna work? Oh, oh, oh. And then, oh. I swear, I swear, I'm addicted. No, I swear I'm addicted to that. That honestly. Hey, I've just checked for additives. There's none in there. Thank goodness. This pomegranate sauce is everything. I am obsessed with that sauce. The maddest thing is, I'm actually full from that Chinese takeaway that I just devoured in 10 minutes. But I was reading you guys' comment. Oh, I'm wonky. I was reading you guys' comments just now, and then this video was playing, the one attached to that comment. And my mouth started watering. I had to go and get it. Oh, look at that. Guys, I think my new favourite way of eating it is with a knife and fork. You can just scoop up more. It's actually so delicious. Genuinely, I feel like I'm gonna have this every day. Oh god. Oh god, guys. Okay. I'm gonna put it in here instead. Oh, no. It's not working, guys. I'm just gonna have it like this. Some pomegranate. And the color combination is so beautiful. This is making me love pomegranates, and I don't like them on their own. They're not that fun. But with the sauce, delicious. Yeah, everything that I'm eating right now is fruit. There is nothing in the ingredients apart from citric acid that is not fruit. Everything else is fruit. Apple, sour cherry, pomegranate, damson, what's that? Date, barberry, apricot, salt, water, acid, water. This is my new favorite snack. You best believe I'm going to be saving that sauce there. Mix it into that like that. Oh. I am addicted to the flavour. I feel like this is my current huat chair. Remember my huat chair phase? That's a little bit. Ooh. I feel like that's gonna help my digestion or burn my stomach. I'm not sure. But guys, Happy Pancake Day. I hope you're enjoying some pancakes, but if not, order some of these from this shop here. It's 8 o'clock now. I think I'm done for the day. I'm done. Whew. I'll see you tomorrow for breakfast.